Good morning, everyone. I welcome you today in this session of doubts. As 45 question I asked you to solve yesterday, these are some doubts sent to me by your fellow friends. So let me just try to solve it in front of you today. Today also we'll be completing the same 45 question. Again, I repeat, send me all the doubts, whatever you face, whatever kind of difficulty you have, please send it to me so that I will try to sort it out today by evening. So today by evening, everything of this particular 45 questions, everything should be completed. Clear? So I'm taking few questions today, 15, 18, 32, 33, 42 and 44. Few students sent me Siddhant, Amit Raj and few more. So let us solve these questions. Fine, easy, not difficult. The first one, 6 into 12 I have to do. 12 6 are 72. So 72 I have to factorize in such a way that I should get 17 as answer. If you don't know table, you can go for factorizing 72. There is no problem. I know the table, so I can go for, I think 9 8 is a 72 it is. So it is 17. This is clear. So you can easily get the factor. So it is 6x plus 9x plus 8x plus 12 is equals to 0, and you can further factorize it. So I don't have to tell you more about it. Then we can go for the next one. Next is 2 into 90. I have to do 2 into 90 is 180. 182 split. Is it 180 or minus 180? Yes, truly said minus 180. 182 to split 3. So surely it is going to be subtraction. So what I can do is I can factorize 180. Check here, I'll factorize it. 180. I'll go with the maximum number 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 6 are 30, I think. Right. Then 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are and 2 into 2. That's it. The product of all these is going to be equal to 180. Now I will go for taking any random factor. I'm taking any random factor. Let me tell you, I did not even consider anything for this matter. So I just taking any random factor. 5 3s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. Check. 3 4s are 12. So you can easily understand 15 and 12 subtraction is 3. So I get 15 here, 12 here. Sign should be given 12 negative because here is positive sign. And then I can easily write here 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90. I think you can do further and get it done. Okay, you can take common and all. You can do that. There is no problem. Right? Clear now? Let's go for the next one. Okay, if you want, I'll help you. X can be taken common. 2x plus 15 is left in the bracket. Minus 6 can be taken common. So I get 2x plus 15. How did I understand that 6 to be taken common? Because you can understand here 2, so I should get 2 here. So that's why I understood 6 can be taken common. It's easy. It's a common sense that what you have to use for this. Okay. So I hope you understood this. Next one. These are two different type of questions that really not similar to the questions that what we have discussed, but not a big deal. Let's try solving it. Process remains same. Okay. So 8 into 7, 8 into 9, 72. 72 to factorize to get minus 27. The process remains same. So I think it's addition, maybe. So I have to actually factorize it. If you want, I can go for it. 72. 3 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24, and then 2 2 2. Okay, I'll take any random factor like 3 3 is a 9 and 2 2 8. 9 plus 8 is 17, not 27. Right? So I cannot take these factors. Okay. Then what can I do? Go for more numbers at one side. So 3 3 is a 9, 9 2s are 9 2s are 18, and 2 2s are 4. So is that going to work here? 2 2s are 4 plus 18. 4 plus 18 kitna hota hai papa? 22. So it is not possible. Okay. So I can go for another category. What I can do is I can take I can split this 3 itself. So 3 to the 6 and the remaining factors I'll take. Okay, so 3 to the 6 and the remaining factor is 12. So it is not again possible. Okay, no problem. I will go ahead in the same way. 3 4s are 12, I can go for, and the remaining factors 6, the same thing. Again, it is not happening. Then I can go for 3 8s are 24. Check karo. I can take all these numbers and 3 separate. Right? 3 8s are 24. And the 3. Kitna ho jata hai? 27. That's it. So I got 24 and 3 minus minus. Okay, further what to do, that is quite important. So I'll just erase all these things. What can I do here is 8a square as it is minus 9 minus था क्या minus all both the signs were minus. Okay, ठीक है minus 24ab minus 3ab plus 9b square is equals to 0. I'll take the things common. 8 is taken common, a is taken common. 8 is out, a is out, so a रह गया minus 8 is gone, 8 3 is 24, so 3 inside, and a is gone, the b minus 3 b common, check कर लो. Now that's quite interesting in this category of question. 3b common, so what is left? A, 3 and b is gone, a minus sign is out, 3b is equals to 0. So I get a minus 3b into 8a minus 3b is equals to 0. Hope you got it. So what do I get here? A minus 3b is equals to 0 or 8a minus 3b is equals to 0. So I get a is equals to 3b or a is equals to 3b upon 8. And that's the answer. You don't have to bother for such a weird answer. It's fine. It's all fine. Clear? Same way you have got 33rd question. You get value of x in y. Okay, try this question. Same it is. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. DIY. Okay. Fine. Kuch questions I found it difficult, so I am taking this question. This wasn't asked as a doubt. I don't know whether you could do it or no, but I am going to try this question on the board right now. Here you could find it is not a quadratic equation. Still, it is there in the list. So, how to solve it? I'll help you. See, what you can find here is cubic equation, true, but we can take x common from all. If I take x common from all, I get 3x square minus x minus 10 is equals to 0. Right? This is the quadratic equation. And here is a product of two terms, you can see. So I get x is equals to 0 or 3x square minus x minus 10 is equals to 0. You got the point? See, product of two terms is 0. That means x will be equal to 0 or the remaining bracket is going to be equal to 0, right? So again, this become a quadratic equation. I can solve this. 10 3 is 30. So minus 30 to split to get minus 1. Okay, so it is 6 5 is minus 6 because this sign has got minus. So I get 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10 is equals to 0. I can take things common like 3x common, x minus 2 plus 5 common, x minus 2 is equals to 0. I get x minus 2 into bracket 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore, I get x is equals to 2 or x is equals to minus 5 by 2. Sorry, 5 by 3. So what are the answers here? Answer is this, x equals to minus 5 by 3, this as well as this. Okay, so therefore I have three values here for x. Therefore x is 0, 2 or minus 5 by 3. Got the point? Interesting. Easy. Got it? Let's go for the next one. Next one is simple, but as it was a doubt, I'm just taking it. It's simple, nothing difficult. Multiply by 8, that's it. If I multiply this by 8, I get 16x square minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. 0 into 8 is 0. That's it. Now this become your equation, solve it. Okay, there is a mistake. Fine. this is supposed to be multiplying by 8, so we get it as 8x. Okay, we can solve this, there is no problem, easy. Factors also easy, they're not difficult. Okay, fine. This was really confusing. 42nd question. Okay, there is something a, b, x, whatever, what not is there in this. Okay, let's just try this question. See, first of all, how to identify this quadratic, you can check. Here is a term, this is b term, and this is c term. Fine. So c into a we multiply and take it as a product. So 36 into a square minus b square to split to get minus 12a. Okay, got it. Let's try this. So what I can do here is I want to get 12 minus 12a. Bit difficult. Try to understand. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So here there should be a plus b, and here there should be a minus b. So product will be a square minus b square. Now what exactly we are left with? Only 36. So I will add, or I will give here 36 in such a way that their total addition becomes minus 12. Fine, or maybe subtraction becomes minus 12. I think here it is addition. Okay, let's try this. 36 I can go for 6 exam. So here is 6, here is 6. If I add it as it is, check kar do. 6a and 6b, 6a, 6b, 6b, 6b get cancelled. 6a plus 6a, 12a plus 12a we get, right? But I need minus 12a. So can you take, or can you give any suggestion? Yes, clearly minus and minus. That's it. Now you can check and tell me whether you get minus 12a or no. That's it. That's it. So simple concept and interesting. I know it's difficult, but you have to try this. You're not in lower grades, now you're in 10th standard. Okay, let's go for it. So I get 36 x square minus 6 into bracket a plus b into x minus 6 into bracket a minus b into x plus this I am going to write as a plus b into a minus b. Okay, let me just erase this. If you want to check this, you can rewind the video and check it. So I'll take things common from this 2 and this 2. I get 6x common. 6 is gone, x is gone. 6 is gone. So I am left with 6x here minus a plus b. Minus 6 common. A minus b common this time. I am left with 6 is not common, sorry. Only a minus b is common. Okay, so I get 6x, a minus b is gone, plus a plus b. So plus hoga minus hoga, right? Minus hoga because I have taken minus uncommon, right? So I'm left with 6x minus of a plus b and 6x minus of a minus b. Of course, everything is equal to 0. So this gives me 6x is equals to a plus b, or 6x is equals to a minus b. Therefore, I get x is equals to a plus b upon 6, or x is equals to a minus b upon 6, and that's your answers. Okay, you can go through the videos again, you may understand it. Fine. So that's it for today. Try to complete all the questions today itself. From tomorrow we are actually going to jump on to the next one. Within next 2 days we will be completing this topic. 2 to 3 days maximum we will be completing this topic, and then we are going to start with a new one. Before that, get complete everything. There will be test also based on this. If you are not completing now, right now, later on it will be difficult for you. So it's better try to complete it now itself. Okay, so one more day I'm keeping, get it done. Bye bye. Thank you so much.